Hello friends, welcome to Tech Edu Cook. This video is the continuation of the quick revision of formula of chemical kinetics part. Okay, ये थर्ड वीडियो है, दैट इज लास्ट वीडियो इस पार्ट का. तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या क्या है इसमें. ठीक है, पहले है ट्रांजिशन स्टेट थ्योरी का फार्मूला के बारे में हम जानेंगे. तो सपोज कंसीडर करते हैं एक रिएक्शन A plus B to AB has 2P. Okay, here first in case rate constant is K has and in AB has 2P, the rate constant is K. Okay, now the formula is K is equal to K has into KBT by H. Here KB is the Boltzmann constant. Okay, now K has is equal to e to the power minus delta G has by RT. Okay, hence if we put the value of K has in here, then we get K is equal to KBT by H into e to the power minus delta G has by RT. Okay, next आता है K is equal to KBT by H into e to the power minus delta H has by RT into e to the power delta H has by R. Okay, ये कहाँ से आया? We know कि del G is equal to del H minus T del S. Hence we replace this del G with del H minus T del S. Then we got this equation. Okay, now del H has is equal to del E has plus del Ng RT. Okay, again del E has is equal to EA minus RT. EA is the activation energy. Again, now the value of del E has put in this equation and we get del H has is equal to EA minus RT plus del Ng RT. Okay, then EA plus RT कॉमन ले लिया, उसके बाद आया del Ng minus 1 and this value, the value of del H put in this equation. Okay, in this equation and we get K is equal to KBT by H e to the power minus EA plus del Ng minus 1 into RT divided by RT into e to the power del S has by R. Okay, RT cancel out, then we got K is equal to KBT by H e to the power minus EA by RT this part and e to the power 1 minus delta Ng. Okay, into e to the power del S has by R, or we can write K is equal to KBT by H into e to the power 1 minus del Ng into e to the power del S has by R into e to the power minus EA by RT. This equation is called as Eyring equation and this is similar type of equation of Arrhenius equation. Okay, and if we compare this equation with Arrhenius equation, what is the Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. Hence this value is equal to A. Okay, A is equal to KBT by H into e to the power 1 minus del Ng into e to the power del S has by R. Okay, from this equation question is frequently asked. What type of question asked? You have given the activation energy value and given a reaction and the temperature value. Okay, you have to find the enthalpy of activation. Suppose reaction given is 2A to B. Okay, A value is given is equal to X suppose, and T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay, you have to determine the enthalpy of activation, that is delta H naught is equal to how much. Okay, then what is the value of del Ng? How can we calculate? We can calculate, we know del Ng is equal to 1 minus molecularity. Okay, if the reaction proceeds 2A to B, that means molecularity is 2, hence del Ng is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Okay, molecularity is minus 1, hence now we can calculate the enthalpy of activation. We have given the EA value X and the temperature 300 Kelvin and del Ng value we got minus 1, and R is the constant value. Okay, now you can easily find the enthalpy of activation value. This type of question is asked. For unimolecular, del Nj is equal to 1 minus 1 because here molecularity is 1, hence del Nj 0. For bimolecular reaction, molecularity is 2, hence 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 del Nj value. You should remember that del Nj value always less than is equal to 0. Okay. Now enzyme catalysis. Okay. Suppose the reaction E plus S to ES, then P. Okay. Here E is the intermediate and P is the product. And forward rate constant here K1, backward in reverse rate constant is K2. Okay. And in this case rate constant is K3. Then we can write R is equal to K3 into concentration of E0 into concentration of S divided by K2 plus K3 divided by K1 plus concentration of S. We can write this total term K2 plus K3 divided by K1 as Km, okay, which is called Michaelis maintenance constant. Okay, then the equation becomes K3 into concentration of E0 into concentration of S divided by Km plus concentration of S. Okay, इसका डेरिवेशन मैं नहीं किया, सिर्फ फार्मूला आपको बता दिया. ओके, क्योंकि मैं फार्मूला का रिवीजन करा रहा हूँ तो इसलिए सिर्फ फार्मूला बताया. उसके बाद फ्रॉम मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी वी मैक्स इज इक्वल टू K3 into concentration of PS. Okay, and is equal to K3 into concentration of E0. When the velocity is maximum, that means all the initial concentration of ES is equal to E0. मतलब जो इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन था एंजाइम का वो पूरा ES में कन्वर्ट हो गया. तो वी कैन राइट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ES इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ E नॉट. E नॉट इज द इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ओके, hence Vmax is equal to K3 into concentration of S is equal to K3 into concentration of E0. Now we can put this in this equation. We get R is equal to K3 into concentration of E0 is equal to Vmax. Hence we can write Vmax. R is equal to Vmax into concentration of S divided by Km plus concentration of S. Okay. From this equation, one plot is drawn, and from this plot, frequently question is asked. So let's see what is the plot. We get R is equal to Vmax into concentration of S divided by Km plus concentration of S. We can write 1 by R is equal to Km plus concentration of S by Vmax into concentration of S. Okay. Or we can write 1 by R is equal to Km by Vmax into 1 by concentration of S plus 1 by Vmax. Okay. If we plot 1 by R with 1 by concentration of S, then we got a plot like this. Okay. 1 by R, here 1 by concentration of S, and this intercept value is 1 by Vmax, and slope is equal to Km by Vmax. Okay. From this part, question is also asked in CSIR NET or GATE examination from the slope. Okay. Now comes to turnover number. What is turnover number? Turnover number is equal to number of molecules of substrate reacted divided by number of molecules of enzyme into time taken. Okay. And turnover frequency is equal to Vmax divided by concentration of E0. And we can write Vmax is equal to K3 into concentration of E0. Hence Vmax by concentration of E0 is equal to K3 we can write. Hence turnover frequency is equal to also K3. Okay. If you given the K3 value and asked to determine the turnover frequency, then it is same as K3 value. Okay. This is all from the chemical kinetics. Okay. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो आएगा वो है सीरीज ऑफ कैटालिस्ट का पार्ट 2 वीडियो, दैट इज कैटालिस्ट 2। ठीक है, उसका क्वेश्चन मैं ऑलरेडी इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दिया हूँ, आप चाहो तो वहां पे जाके क्वेश्चन को खुद से ट्राई कर सकते हो, उसके बाद अपना जो आंसर है उसको मैच कर सकते हो और आपका कॉन्सेप्ट भी मैच कर सकते हो। ठीक है, तो अभी तक इंस्टाग्राम पे ज्वाइन नहीं किया, फॉलो नहीं किया, तो इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दे दूंगा, आप वहां से फॉलो कर सकते हो। ठीक है, एंड इफ दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, then like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.